What if I told you there's a place on Earth where the wind is so strong it can blow waterfalls upward and push people off their feet? Welcome to the Cliffs of Moher on the wild Atlantic coast of Ireland, one of the most awe-inspiring and wind-punishing places on the planet. These cliffs tower over 700 feet, 214 meters, above the Atlantic Ocean. Facing the full fury of ocean storms, they've been carved and shaped by centuries of crashing waves and roaring winds. And the wind? It's not just a breeze. It's a force. On some days, the wind is so intense, it can make walking feel like a battle. It knocks people sideways, rips umbrellas apart, and has even lifted small objects into the air, sending them flying off into the Atlantic. One wrong step near the edge, and nature might make the decision for you. But one of the most incredible phenomena? Reverse waterfalls. That's right. When powerful winds hit water flowing down the cliffs, it can actually push it back up, creating a rare and surreal sight, as if gravity itself has been reversed. This isn't just extreme weather. It's a lesson in natural power. The Cliffs of Moher aren't dangerous because they're trying to be. They just exist as raw, untamed reminders of Earth's strength. But the cliffs are not only about danger. They're also about beauty, history, and life. This area is home to over 20 species of seabirds, including puffins, razorbills, and guillemots. In spring and summer, the cliffs become a natural amphitheater for nesting and breeding, making it a paradise for birdwatchers. And the cliffs have stories. Ancient Irish myths speak of giants and sea spirits who once lived here. In medieval times, the site was used for watchtowers, guarding the coastline from invaders. You can still visit O'Brien's Tower, built in 1835, which offers a breathtaking panoramic view. More than 1.5 million people visit the Cliffs of Moher every year. But officials constantly remind visitors, stay on the marked paths. The winds here have claimed lives. It's not a joke. It's not an exaggeration. It's nature, and it doesn't play by our rules. Standing on these cliffs, you realize something. In a world filled with noise and distractions, nature still has the power to command silence, to humble you, to remind you that no matter how advanced we get, we're still guests on this planet. So the next time you find yourself staring into a screen, remember, there's a place out there where the wind can lift waterfalls and the earth itself can take your breath away. If you love discovering hidden wonders of nature and learning what makes Earth truly powerful, hit that like button, subscribe for more wild places, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the next journey. Because the planet has stories, and we're here to tell them.